This tiny component changed the world. Your mobile phone, laptop, speaker, and even rockets use it. It is called a transistor.
But what exactly is a transistor, and how does it control electricity? Let's understand it in the simplest way.
This is a transistor. It usually has 3 pins: collector, base, and emitter.
Think of it like an electronic switch. A very small current entering the base pin can control a much larger current flowing through the transistor. Just like a small tap controlling a large flow of water, microcontrollers like Arduino cannot power high current devices directly. So we use a transistor to control motors, LEDs, and relays. Transistors are also used to amplify signals. A small audio signal can be made stronger using a transistor. Modern processors contain billions of transistors. Without them, modern electronics would not exist.
I have done some projects with transistors in the past videos. Check out the channel and watch everything. And comment your thoughts. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.